Welcome! At Voltus, we're committed to delivering more dollars to your bottom line by taking advantage of your operational flexibility and helping you reduce your energy usage at strategic times of the year. This quick video will walk you through the installation of your Voltlet, our metering device that empowers you with real-time energy data and gets you one step closer to earning cash. Take a moment to review the Voltlet components and equipment you'll need. Once you're confident that you have all the necessary equipment and have identified your installation location, this video will walk you through the remaining steps. On average, the installation process shouldn't take more than 45 minutes to an hour of your time. Remember, the Voltus team is here to support you and answer any questions or concerns that may arise during the installation. Just give us a call. To begin, identify the correct type of mounting anchors and mount the Voltlet in the predetermined location using your power drill. Remember to mount near a power outlet and the utility meter's KYZ pulse. Our Voltlets utilize a cell signal to transmit your energy data to the cloud. To install the antenna, feed the cables through the Voltlet, attach them to the cradle point modem, and mount the antenna on a nearby metal surface. Be sure to thread the antenna paddles into their base and connect the cradle point modem to the Voltlet using the Cat5 cable provided. A KYZ pulse can be likened to a heartbeat that your meter gives off. By measuring the pulse frequency, we can determine the energy use behind the meter. Using the 18-gauge wire we provided, land one end of the wire at the utility pulse output terminal and the other end in the corresponding location on the Voltlet terminal. The wire labeled K will need to land on the pulse out, and the wire labeled Y will need to land on the pulse return. From here, you just need to plug in your Voltlet and modem and ensure all of the wire connections are firm. Once you begin to see your Voltlet come alive with lights, please call your field engineering manager to ensure it's streaming data correctly. And now you are ready to start earning cash. Thank you for partnering with Voltus. We are excited to work with you. If you have any questions or would like additional assistance, please reach out to your field engineering manager or general support team at support@voltus.co or call 415-306-8498.